men. And I use the term ever so loosely. You know, I've kind of resolved not to show routine rebuilds. A lot of that I've already covered, other people have covered, there's no point. But what I've decided to do was to show some of the unusual things when they come up. Well, right there is an unusual thing. It ain't coming up anymore though. It's long past coming up. You know, you want to be a mechanic, you think. You want to be a Harley mechanic, you think. You know, the bikes, the girls hanging around, the cruising, all of that fun stuff. Sometimes the job gets you a little more than you bargained for. Take a look yonder. Anybody got any idea what this Gob O Schmutz used to be? Ay, ay, ay. That's what's left of some kind of animal. Jeez Louise. It's a little too big for a mouse, not big enough for a rat. Some of this looks like it might have been feathers. I don't know what the fuck it was, but this owner's getting charged extra for hazardous waste removal. That's fucking disgusting. Anyway, wash your bikes once in a while. You know, that stink coming from underneath there might be a dead something stuck in there and you want to get it out. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Y'all come back. Bye.